Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook tofu soup with clam, homemade meatballs and tofu skin. I have 500 grams of frozen clams, 2 tubes of smooth tofu, 250 grams of minced pork, 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil. This is homemade garlic in oil. This is how it looks like. Quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 2 cilantro with roots, 2 pieces of dry tofu skin, and for the vegetable I'm using watercress. This is 180 grams. I also have about 1 liter of water. Pre-cook, I need to marinate the minced pork, cut the tofu, wash the clams, and soak the tofu skin. Put all the minced pork in a bowl, a bigger bowl. Pour all the light soy sauce, half of the pepper, half of the sesame seed oil, put all of the garlic in oil, we're going to marinate it. So today I'm going to marinate with hand. Minced pork is well marinated. I'm going to put it aside. Next, we're going to soak the tofu skin. I have 2 pieces of tofu skin. I'm going to take out the 2 and soak it in the water. Need to wet it a little bit. Once it is soaked, and then it will be softer so it won't break. So I'm going to allow it to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This is frozen clams. So before cooking, we need to thaw it first. I'm going to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and wash and clean it properly before we can cook it. So cutting the tofu, I'm going to cut it into half and remove the edges just to allow the air to go in so it is easy to take it out from the tube, like this. For cilantro, I'm going to cut it like that. So I'm going to need to use this one for the soup. So I'm going to put it here. And for the cilantro leaf, we're going to use for garnishing. It's cut like that. And here is the tofu skin that we have already soaked and it's soft. We're going to trim off the edges where it is hard. This won't be nice. So just trim it off. So we're going to cut it into square. You can cut it any way you like. So I'm just going to cut it like that and put it aside. Turn on the heat. Add 1 liter of water in the wok. Put in cilantro roots, sesame seed oil, pepper, oyster sauce. Give it a stir. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. When the soup reaches the rolling boil, use a spoon to scoop the minced pork into a ball shape and carefully drop it into the boiling soup. Once we put all the minced pork into the soup, cover the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, see, all the meatball is already cooked. Now we're gonna add in the clams, tofu, and tofu skin all together. Add on the watercress, cover the lid, let it continue to cook for another 3 minutes to allow all the other ingredients to cook. After 3 minutes, everything is cooked, including the vegetable. So I'm going to reduce the heat to a low heat and give it a taste. Wow, delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so, but for this soup, it's already very delicious and very sweet. So I'm going to switch off the heat and sprinkle the cilantro. This kind of soup is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Wow, it's very delicious. The minced pork is delicious, tender, flavorful with the hint of garlic and pepper. Clam is so sweet. Tofu is very soft. The tofu skin is very chewy and very delicious. For the vegetable, it's so sweet. And for the soup, it has extracted of natural sweetness of the ingredients. It's really delicious. So the tofu soup is so simple to make, it's so healthy, and most importantly, it's delicious. If you happen to try the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked soup like this. Thank you and bye bye.